Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. So guys, in today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing paycheck number 4. Stuffing today is $555, y'all. Do you guys see this number? $555, like 555. I had to like really look this number up, y'all, to see what this means. And first of all, y'all, let me hear everything quickly say, if y'all hear any noise in the background, which I don't because I love to play background music in my videos, so you may hear it, you may not, but it is raining and thundering outside, so you guys may hear that throughout the video. Again, look up this number, y'all. $555. Like, this, you can't just get a number like this every day. All right, let's just move on with the video, y'all. I just wanted to put that out there. Again, for all of you that are new to my channel, I do use prop money in my sinking fund, and I use the real money only in my cash binder. Altogether total, y'all, is $555. But once I take out of my tithes and my offering, like I said before, I don't do my tithes and offerings on camera. I do it off camera, and I already did everything. So the total amount for my tithes and offering was $51. So $51 from $555 left us with a balance of $504. So $364 is going to be prop money, $140 is going to be real money. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. I always use the front tray, y'all, to put my real money, just so I don't get mixed up with the prop money. So let's see, with the prop money we should have $364. We're gonna wait, put the 50 here and count that in a little bit. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, that's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, that's 200. Now we're gonna use the 50, so that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. It's supposed to be 64 right here. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So we have $1 left over. That's because I probably miscounted. We're gonna go ahead on and put this to the side. If we are missing $1, I'll go ahead on and pick it back up. I'll just go ahead on and get it. So I'm gonna get this money all together and we're gonna get started, y'all. So you're gonna go ahead on and start with our cash binder. So y'all know a lot of things I should have probably turned around before I did this. Let's see. We do have some coins. This is what I have, and we're going to be putting this in our coin jar. Let's see. I forgot we stuffed in 105 in gas today. We should have We should be at 200 today, so let's see where we at. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. So gas has 200, y'all. I am so happy with this, y'all. I met my little goal. I said we was gonna have 200 to travel with for gas only, and we have it. We're gonna be stuff in this household. Household is going to be getting $20, y'all. I had 15 in household last week, y'all, but I think I bought the toothpaste, if I'm not mistaken, already. I bought something out of household already, is why I only have the $7 left. So I'm not going to remove this today. I'm just going to add $20 more. Go to the store tomorrow and get the rest of the things that I need for the remainder of the month. In household, just so I can have all that taken care of before our vacation. So yeah, so we have now 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. All right, so that's it for household. Car maintenance will be getting $5, 50, 60, 65, and 70. So 70. Okay, so coordinate envelope is currently on hold at the moment. So self-care is going to be getting $5, which is 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see. Self-care now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Self-care has $65, y'all. Beauty is going to be getting $10. So beauty now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. Yep, so beauty has 80, y'all. Getting up there. Okay, so clothing is going to be getting $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So clothing now has 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So clothing has $74. Driving school is going to be getting $3. Should be 3, yeah. So clothing. Driving school now has 100, 200, 50, 60, 61, 62, and 63. So $263 for driving school. Okay, this one right here is my personal sinking funds. So Kay is going to be getting her usual 25. Let's see how much she has now. 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 125. Y'all, she would have had way more than this by now. So Kwana, she's also getting her usual 25. So now Kwana has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. Okay, let's count that again. 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 375. So Kwana has 375. Okay, Kima, she's also going to be getting 25. Which should bring her at the same amount. Let's see. 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. So yeah, so 375. Okay, Nanny, she's getting 25 also. So now she has 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 335. Jahi's also getting 25, which should bring him also at 335. All right, let's see. 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 25, 30, and 35. My parents is going to be getting $10. Now my parents has 100, 20, 40, 50, and 60. Marty, I'm going to be getting 25. $100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 315, 320, 325. 325. My husband's twin, he should also have 325, y'all. He's gonna get, oh, he's gonna be getting 25. So that's 100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 125. Did I say 125, y'all? I meant 325 if I didn't say that, y'all. Emergency 1 is going to be getting 5. So emergency 1 now has 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. So emergency 1 has $65. So emergency 2 is going to be getting $5 also. So emergency 2 now has 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. All right. So Deb is going to be getting $20. What I'm still doing with 10 left. I shouldn't have a 10 left, y'all. Okay, let's finish with it. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56. So $56. Okay, so we're gonna figure out why we still have 10, y'all. I'm not sure why we still have 10 left. Obviously it's something I forgot to put somewhere. I'm gonna figure that out, and yeah, we're gonna figure this out in a minute. So yeah, I figured out where this 10 was supposed to be at. It was supposed to go in unexpected. Unexpected was supposed to have $15. Yeah, and so the 5 ones, y'all, went back into my self-care envelope, and I guess I was trying to give myself $5 extra, y'all. Like, I could use $5 extra, but it wasn't supposed to go there, so I had to go take it out of there, and this is where the 10 go at. And yeah, so this is the 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So So this is $15, y'all, that's supposed to be an unexpected. I want to thank you all so very much for tuning in. Make sure y'all turn your notification bell on so that y'all will be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.